So before we even get into today's video, I just want y'all to know I hit 16K. I'm really hyped because I've been stuck at like 15,000, we're just gonna say 800 for over a year. Over a year. That's not cool. That's not cool. So in essence of me hitting 16K, shut up. Right now. Shut up. We have our handy dandy Patron. Old me would have said 16 shots for 16K, but it's Monday. I can't be doing all that. I should just hit my chest. But thank y'all for 16K. I really appreciate it. I really love to know that y'all rock with me the way I'm rocking with y'all. Comment down below any more videos y'all like to see from me. Whether y'all want more story times, y'all want more hair content, y'all want more vlogs. Let me know what it is and what it ain't, so I can get that done for y'all. But back to our regularly scheduled video for today.
Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
So it has dawned upon me that I never gave y'all a furnished apartment tour. Even though I feel like, to me, my apartment, my home is still not completely decorated the way I would have liked it to be decorated. It's the best I could do, because at a certain point, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I definitely gave up. I definitely gave up on the decorations, on literally everything. So this is its final form. If you don't like it, shut up, because you don't even got no apartment. Anyways, when you come in, this me. This me. You come in, boom. First look. This is, oh, look at the pretty girl. Look at the, you know you just hit your head. You know you did. Want to do the most. But when you walk in, this is the view. Oh, my fault. Okay. This is the view. Right here, I have her cage because I never put it up because I didn't know exactly where I wanted to put it. My place has this little plug-in, what's it called? Air conditioner. I don't even know why it's plugged in. I don't know if that do something for my electric bill, but I don't need to go up no higher. I also have this big old push pin board that I wanted to put up. It's just a matter of I didn't know where to put it. Like I've told y'all, I have a little patio section that I do not really go out on for real, but it's out there and there's nothing there. Here's the living room. This is, I want to say I got my couch set from Walmart. If it's not Walmart, I got it from Target. Those two white things I had in my old room, also from Target. And we just have a little light decor, my books that I probably need to read, more of my frames and stuff of like obituaries and things like that I wanted to put up right here. I just haven't did it. Jetta and her little cows. Let me see. Anywho, TV, that's me. TV from Walmart, TV stand from Target, and I just have a few games. I need more. Oh my goodness, Jetta. A few games, a Bible, and this, I don't even know what to call this, but my friend Evelyn got this for me for my, what is it, move-in, my housewarming. She got this as a gift for me, so that goes there. Got this from Dollar Tree because I like bees. This is Jetta's little bag with all of her things and whatnot. This off of Amazon. Evelyn also got this for me for my what is it called? Housewarming party. Boom, there's that. And then when you come over here, this is what the like kitchen setup kind of looks like. This is just an extra closet. Yeah, so y'all remember that that cleaning video I just posted a couple days ago? All that junk y'all seen got thrown in here. Not even gonna cap it to y'all. Not even gonna cap it to y'all. That's a later problem, but it's really spacious. I keep all my hair stuff and like my bigger jackets and everything. Cleaning stuff, extra paper towels, toilet paper. Literally just random stuff is in here now that I'm really thinking about it. But yeah, that's in here. My friend Cass got this for me and I have not hung it up because it's been looking so cute sitting right here. This also from Amazon. This is from Amazon too. My friend Raylene, she did this one for me and I just don't know where to put it. So it's been casually just sitting here because I don't know where to put it and I don't want to like just throw it up anywhere. But chairs are from Walmart. These are my little bar stool chairs. Trash can, ew. Okay, trash can from Walmart. Moving on to the kitchen. All this was already in here, as y'all probably seen in my empty apartment tour. All this is in here. Air fryer from Walmart. Knives. I like air fryer from Amazon. Knives from Amazon. All my like cooking utensils and like pots and pans and silverware and stuff from Amazon or Dollar Tree. Like my plates and glasses and stuff, because nobody ever comes over here for real, so they are from Dollar Tree. They're really just for looks, but they're there. Drinks, my seasonings and what's not, my little pantry. Snacks on deck, as always. Snacks on deck. Y'all, I found these at Dollar Tree. I haven't tried this one, but I tried the Boosie one, wherever it may be at. It low-key snapped. It low-key snapped, but this is where I keep my snacks, like all my extra stuff at. In here, cups, and I think those are containers. This little dish tray water dispenser thing I got off of Amazon, and you know, like just when your dishes are wet and you put them over here, it just drains out right there. Ignore the dirty dishes. Here's Jetta's little treat box. You want one? Ooh. But there's that. Y'all don't think I'm not gonna give her one. It's just she still has ones in the box, so give me paw. Paw. Good job. Other one. Gimme. Okay, whatever. Okay, bye. This also was a housewarming gift, but as y'all see, my birthday. It's on the 19th, but yeah, there's that. Freezer, refrigerator, low-key stocked. Y'all see all that soda? Don't think it's mine, because it's not. That Dr. Pepper is mine, but that Sprite and that Coke is not mine. I don't even drink soda for real, but this is what this is looking like. All Jetta's treats and stuff. Table set from Wally Mart's. Vase, probably Dollar Tree, fake flowers. This is her little food setup. I had to go and get a rug recently, as I might have peeped, because she likes to drink water and then leave a trail of water all over the floor. And it's very aggravating, but over here, more little decor. Look at my ring light. More books, and yeah, look, because the dog farted. Moving this way. This is me. This is my big little mirror. This is my, whatever you want to call it, my stash from graduation. I just have it right here because I don't know where else to put it. Moving on to the bathroom, which is this way. Everywhere in here, I think I decorated my bathroom the best. The bathroom had the most thought put into it, and like I said, it's still missing stuff because I wanted to have like pictures and stuff on the walls, but let me know in the comments if y'all get the vibe of the bathroom, like what the vibe is supposed to be. So going in, this is my first rug. It's dirty because when I had my housewarming, bitches came in my, let me calm down. Bitches came in my bathroom with a dirty ass Jordans and gonna step right on my freshly put down white rug, and now it's staying dirty. But anyways, I got my rug off of Amazon. This is the setup over here. I think I got this off of Amazon too, but this is where I put all my perfumes and stuff, my little candle, soap, and then get into the details. Isn't it so cute? But over here, little bathroom setup, as y'all can tell. Are y'all catching the vibe? Are y'all catching the vibe? I hope y'all catching the vibe. I hope y'all are. I hope y'all are catching the vibe. But this is this. And I just have this little rack thing in here in my shower, which is also from Amazon. Literally everything in here I ordered off of Amazon. Amazon. All the towels, Amazon. Hamper is from TJ Maxx, I think. But yeah, I'm not even gonna go into my drawers because there's just a bunch of random stuff in there. But there's that. And then this way we have me room. When you come in this way, here's my little vanity setup. I don't have lights in here, as y'all can tell. That's why this light is always on, because I use it as like a light. But I got the light off of Amazon. My desk is from IKEA. The chair is from Amazon also. And then this way, my big sexy mirror. But the mirror is, I don't know, the mirror was a Christmas gift or birthday gift last year, so I don't know where that is from. My little cow rug from Amazon. This I bought off of a friend, or old friend, but I bought that off of her. So that's just where I keep all my hair supplies. My little bins with my hair stuff also. Random stuff. My dresser is from IKEA. TV from Walmart. Honestly, it's very, very junky. I did not clean it up, and I wasn't going to do so for the sake of the video, but my jewelry is back here. I have another one with just my jewelry just thrown all over. This freaking young boy poster I've had for years that has still yet to be hung up. This also from Amazon. I just keep my go-to products there. I have my little nightstand, also from IKEA, Walmart. I think I got this off of Urban Outfitters, but yeah, fake plants from somewhere, I don't know. Look at my little coaster with me and my cousins. Can y'all tell which one I am? Probably. Smack it too fast. But y'all know my go-to, the infamous wall. I love it so much. I need to get back into painting because I need to fill up all this. But bed is from IKEA. I 10 out of 10 don't recommend. 10 out of, my bed as we speak is broke. We're not gonna get into how it broke, but my bed is broke. It has broken twice now. The builder of said bed has me sleeping on a broken bed and claims I should put my mattress on the floor and just call it a day, but I'm not doing that. Like, there's like springs in the middle of my bed, and one's on the lower one and the other side is on the high one, so my bed is like this. And I just don't recommend. People have told me since I've gotten a bed that I should have never got the bed from IKEA, that IKEA is only good for like furniture and stuff. So yeah, if y'all think, can I contact them still and let them know that like my bed has broken and they'll like replace it? Like, I don't even need them to give me money, just give me a new bed. Like, give me something to replace it, because this is not cool. This is not cool. I don't even have nowhere to do my dues at. But anyways, bed set, which is just the sheet and the comforter, is from Target. Pillow, Target. Silk The ones that's in the silk pillows, these silk pillowcases, sorry, are from Amazon. The rest Target, obviously. Jetta's tore up bed and her little gingerbread man bed from Amazon. I just got that the other day at PetSmart when I bought her some food. I have this little ottoman thing that has, I don't even know if I could pick it up, but it has all my paint supplies and like all my artsy stuff in there. I just didn't know where to put this. Hey. Hey, Pookie Wookie. Hey. Hey. And then last but not least, I don't even want to show y'all because it's dirty, but this is my closet. I have another little rug right here that says fuck, but this is my closet. It usually looks cleaner than this. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna lie, like it'd be too much more cleaner than this. It's just the stuff be hung up. My closet is actually color coordinated, so it goes shirts in this little section from white to black. All my hoodies go from white to black, obviously. My girly or like dress up hoodies, same thing, and then dresses and rompers right here. And I just have sandals in this little thing. And a bunch of random stuff up here because I didn't have anywhere to put it. All my shoes, which need to be organized. I ordered me some of those clear cases to try to like do something with this, but yeah, this is what we have going on right here. And yeah, this is my home. Our home, sorry, correction. This is our home. And yeah, I have been here officially, what is this, December, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 months? Oh, it's been longer than that. Either way it goes, I've been here since April 1st. Honestly, I wasn't even gonna give y'all this house tour no more because I was like, it's been so long since I've moved in here, but here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you guys for 16K. I really appreciate it. I'm low-key sweating because of that shot, but I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.